Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss: the benefits of GitLab. If you are a developer, project manager, or anyone involved in software development, you're in for a treat. So, let's dive right into it. Benefit #1 Collaboration. GitLab is like a virtual workspace for your development team. It enables seamless collaboration and communication. Benefit #2 Built-in CI/CD. GitLab comes with built-in continuous integration and continuous delivery (CI/CD) pipelines. Benefit #3 Scalability. Whether you're a small startup or an enterprise-level organization, GitLab scales with you.
Benefit 4 Security. In the world of software development, security is paramount. GitLab takes security seriously. It offers features like code scanning, container scanning, and security dashboards to ensure that your code is secure from the get-go. Your projects are in safe hands with GitLab. That's it for today's video on the benefits of GitLab. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.